Hello students! Have you ever wondered how early Indian nationalists communicated without the internet? Let us find out with the most important history board exam MCQs. Question 1. Read the two statements given below about the civil disobedience movement and select the option that shows the correct relationship between A and R. SQP 2025. Assertion A. The civil disobedience movement was renewed by Mahatma Gandhi. Reason R. The second roundtable conference was a failure. A. R contradicts with A. B. R is the reason for A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A and R are independent of each other. And the right answer is B. R is the reason for A. Now question 2. The area in which Anand stays has no water supply for 3 days despite repeated complaints. The residents have a meeting and discuss a few methods to resolve this problem. Being a follower of the beliefs and methods of the early nationalists, which of the following methods is Anand not likely to approve? SQP 2025. A. Peaceful procession by the residents. B. Follow the method of boycott. C. Write a petition to the government. D. Write an article in the newspaper highlighting the problem. And the right answer is B. Follow the method of boycott. Question 3. Which of the following policies is not aligned with the leaders' ideologies seen in the picture? SQP 2025. A. Prioritizing military expansion. B. Promoting racist policies. C. Hosting an anti-communist seminar. D. Holding pro-democracy rallies. And the answer is D. Holding pro-democracy rallies. Question 4. Identify the odd one out of the following objectives of the Muslim League. SQP 2025. A. To promote among Muslims of India support for the British. B. To promote cultural and socio-economic cooperation among Muslims. C. To protect and advance the political rights and interests of the Muslims. D. To present the needs and demands of the Muslims to the government. And the right answer is B. To promote cultural and socio-economic cooperation among Muslims. Question 5. Read the description and identify the person. SQP 2025. He established the forward bloc and coined the slogan Dilli Chalo. A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Subhash Chandra Bose. C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. D. Dadabhai Naoroji. And the answer is B. Subhash Chandra Bose established the forward bloc and coined the slogan Dilli Chalo. Question 6. Identify the cities most affected by American action in World War II. A. Rome, Berlin. B. Tokyo, Berlin. C. Hiroshima, Nagasaki. D. Tokyo, Rome. And the answer is C. Hiroshima, Nagasaki were the most affected by American action in World War II. Question 7. Which of the following scenarios describe the non-alignment policy? NAM, SQP 2025, 2022 to 2021 Semester 1. A. A country forms a military alliance only with the United States. B. A country maintains relations with both factions during the Cold War and does not take sides. C. A country is part of a religious movement advocating non-violence. D. A country aligns with the Soviet Union and receives military aid. And the right answer is B. A country maintains relations with both factions during the Cold War and does not take sides. Question 8. Read the two statements given below and select the option that shows the correct relations between A and R. 2024. Assertion A. Forward bloc had the objective of abolishing the zamindari system. Reason R. Subhash Chandra Bose wanted to establish a socialist state. A is true but R is false. B. R is the reason for A. C. Both A and R are false. D. Only R is true. A is false. And the right answer is B. R is the reason for A. Question 9. The dash aimed to introduce equality between British and Indian judges. SQP 2025-2024. A. Vernacular Press Act. B. Gagging Act. C. Indian Universities Act. D. Ilbert Bill. The answer is D. Ilbert Bill. Question 10. The Rowlatt Act was called the Black Act because the Indians dash 2024? A. Could not possess any arms. B. Could not export any goods. C. Could be arrested without a warrant. D. Could be sent overseas on duty. And the right answer is C. Indians could be arrested without a warrant. Question 11. Who organized the Grand Delhi Darbar 2024? A. Lord Curzon. B. Lord Canning. C. Lord Lytton. D. Lord Dalhousie. And the right answer is C. Lord Lytton organized the Grand Delhi Darbar. Do you know Lord Lytton's Delhi Darbar used to be so grand? Next is Top Scholars Cup of Grand MCQs for you. Question 12. Tina is inspired by the methods of the early nationalists and wants to follow them. She notices that the road leading to a school is damaged and has many potholes. Which of the following methods she is most likely to follow to solve this problem? 2024. A. Boycott the civic authorities. B. Gather a group of students and protest. C. Write a petition to the authorities highlighting the problem. D. Block the entrance to the road. And the answer is C. Write a petition to the authorities highlighting the problem. Now question 13. Given below are the objectives of the Indian National Army. Identify the odd one out of the following. A. To organize a provisional government of free India. B. Total mobilization of Indian manpower and money. C. Unity, faith and sacrifice. D. To train and organize public opinion in the country. The answer is D. To train and organize public opinion in the country. Question 14. Tahir is preparing to give a speech about the sati system in India. Which of the following Indian leaders' contribution must he mention in his speech? A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. B. W.C. Banerjee. C. Bipin Chandra Pal. D. Jyotiba Phule. And the answer is A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Now question 15. Identify the principle of Panchashil. A. Mutual non-aggression. B. Regulate armaments. C. Take action against an aggressor. D. Recommend admission of members. And the answer is A. Mutual non-aggression. Question 16. Which incident depicted in the above cartoon led to the beginning of the Second World War? A. Hitler's policy of imperialism. B. Hitler's attack on Poland. C. Hitler's annexation of Austria. D. Hitler's attack on Czechoslovakia. And the right answer is B. Hitler's attack on Poland. Question 17. The plan of the partition of Bengal was proposed by Dash 2023. A. Lord Canning. B. Lord Dalhousie. C. Lord Curzon. D. Lord Ripon. And the answer is C. Lord Curzon. Have you ever wondered why Lord Curzon loved partitions so much? Let us find out with our next set of MCQ. Question 18. People protested against the Dash because it had 7 British members and no Indian representation. 2023. A. Simon Commission. B. Lucknow Pact. C. Aylbert Bill. D. Cabinet Mission. And the right answer is A. Simon Commission. Question 19. The main objective of the assertive nationalists was Dash 2023. A. Constitutional agitation. B. Peaceful protests. C. Purna Swaraj. D. Self-government under British rule. And the answer is C. Purna Swaraj. Question 20. Identify the early nationalist leader. 2023. A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. B. Bipin Chandra Pal. C. Jyotiba Phule. D. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. The answer is A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Question 21. The Lucknow Pact was signed between Dash 2023. A. The British and the Congress. B. The Congress and the Muslim League. C. The early and the assertive nationalists. D. The Muslim League and the British. And the right answer is B. The Congress and the Muslim League. Question 22. Dash was one of the causes of the Quit India movement 2023. A. Failure of the Second Round Table Conference. B. Rowlatt Act. C. Mountbatten Plan. D. Failure of the Cripps Mission. And the right answer is D. The failure of the Cripps Mission was one of the causes of the Quit India movement. Question 23. Which of these leaders was an architect of the non-aligned movement? 2023. A. Joseph Stalin. B. Abdel Nasser. C. Winston Churchill. D. Franklin Roosevelt. The answer is B. Abdel Nasser. Question 24. The immediate cause of the First World War was dash. 2023. A. Imperialism. B. Alliance system. C. Sarajevo crisis. D. Arms race. The answer is C. The immediate cause of the First World War was the Sarajevo crisis. Question 25. The signatory countries of the Triple Alliance were 2022-2021 Semester 1. A. Germany, France, Italy. B. France, Britain, Russia. C. Germany, Italy, Austria, Hungary. D. Britain, Russia, Italy. And the right answer is C. Germany, Italy, Austria, Hungary. UNESCO is all about education and culture. So next is our question 26. The full form of UNESCO is dash. 2022-2021 Semester 1. A. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. B. United Nations Economic, Scientific and Cultural Organization. C. United Nations Educational, Social and Cultural Organization. D. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Commercial Organization. And the right answer is A. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Question 27. The International Court of Justice consists of dash judges. 2022, 2002, 2021. A. 9. B. 15. C. 10. D. 20. And the right answer is B. The International Court of Justice consists of 15 judges. Question 28. The non-permanent members of the Security Council are elected by the members of the dash. A. General Assembly. B. International Court of Justice. C. The Trusteeship Council. D. The Secretariat. And the answer is A. General Assembly. Question 29. The Treaty of Versailles mandated Germany to pay a war reparation of dash. A. $35 billion. B. $40 billion. C. $33 billion. D. 50 million pounds. And the answer is C. $33 billion. Next question 30. The Security Council consists of dash non-permanent members. Options A. 15. B. 10. C. 5. D. 6. And the answer is B. 10. They say history is full of surprises. So, wish you all the best.